You can,
Cloud and cloud computing, sir. What is computing, sir?
we'll talk it.
Okay, sir.
So, are you able to follow it in English?
English, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, uh, cloud is nothing but, let's say, you are having one laptop
Yes, sir.
that is physically present, means आपका साथ तो लैपटॉप था
हाँ,
उस
लैपटॉप है, सर. हाँ.
physically it exists within yourself. So the laptop will be called as a server.
Server. Okay.
In short, in real-time scenarios and companies, they will say it as servers. So,
Yes, sir.
oh, whatever you're having, it is a physical server. You can call it as a physical server because it was with you physically. I mean, it
Yes,
doesn't have to be somewhere else. But if you see, let's say if you wanted to do something, you can open your laptop, you can do anything, you can do it, right? That is
yes, sir.
where it's called servers. And these kind of servers is called on-premises servers.
Yes, sir.
So on-premise servers are nothing but where you are actually managing it. Let's say if you have your laptop, you are the one who are handling that laptop, right? Instead of
Yes, sir.
someone managing that laptop, you are the one who's managing it. But
Yes, sir.
whereas in cloud, what will happen is that you have these kind of servers somewhere around the world will be there. Let's say that
Yes,
is one server,
yes, sir.
cloud server.
Yes,
So it should not be physically present with you. It will be somewhere remotely accessed by you for you.
sir. Server is a like a storage.
The server is a compute machine. I will come to this compute. What is compute?
Yes,
Compute
sir.
is nothing but whatever the activities that you're performing in a server, it will comes under compute actions. So, in the
Uh,
same ways, if you take one cloud server, you are able to
yes,
download the movies, you are able to watch movies, you can listen to songs and all. You can browse
yes,
something. Everything comes under compute because that
yes,
is
sir.
where you are doing your real stuff, you are doing your real work. Whereas in cloud services, what will happen is that, so let's say. Um, Before COVID, we'll talk. So
Yes, sir.
you're having one physical laptop with you, that is fine.
Yes, sir.
What else do you know? Desktop machines, desktop where before the laptop there will be some desktop machines will be there, computer
Yes, sir.
desktop. So at that
Yes, sir.
time, what will happen is that before COVID, the desktop servers are there, right? It should be managed by someone. But after COVID, what happened is that during the COVID, we are not able to move out everywhere freely, right? We have lockdowns, and let's say you have this desktop server in your office. Let's say it is in your office. So what will happen desktop server is that you have to go to your office, you have to turn it on, you have to do your work and all. But what else if you have the critical data? You have very much critical data and you are unable to access this data in time. Let's say you have one project within this desktop server and during that lockdown, you are not able to go anywhere because lockdown is going on. So you are not in a position to go somewhere else. So at that time, what you can do is that if you take one cloud server, you can do your work here. Your project will be here. And you don't have to go to your office to access this. If you wanted to access, maybe you're from Jaipur or Nagpur somewhere, And this project can be accessed by you from your side by having only internet connection. If you have internet connection, right, and it was placed in one of the regions. I will come to that part later. But if you take this cloud instance as an example, with the help of this cloud, you can be anywhere in the world. You can be in Nagpur, Jaipur, Rajasthan, somewhere else. All you have to need is internet and access to the server. Once you have access to the server, you can able to perform any operations into this server without having any downtime, without having any issues, without spending so much money as well. That is one advantage of cloud server, because anytime, anywhere, anyhow, you can be able to access this cloud server. That is the importance of cloud. Why people are moving towards cloud is that because this is one scenario. Let's say you have
Sir,
one
cloud is like a server, sir, or a storage.
you have number of types of cloud storages. Cloud will
Yes.
give you storage as well. Let's say uh, some customer will come to cloud. Okay, some
Yes.
ex customer will come to cloud.
Yes, sir.
So he don't want compute here. Compute, where you can perform your operations and all. But
Yes.
let's say he want only storage.
Yes.
So cloud will also give you that storage only. Instead of,
Yes, sir.
let's say you have Google Photos, right? In those
Yes, sir.
photos, Google will not give you the server access, right? It will give you one place where you can upload your photos.
Yes, sir.
It will not give you a server to, I mean, use anything like your computer, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, what is happening here is that the customers will be of different types. One want compute where you can do everything. One is storage. What you are asking is for storage. If you want storage only, you can take storage only, pay for storage only. Instead of
Yes, sir.
keeping your whole laptop comes
Yes,
as
sir.
compute, but you don't want your whole laptop. You only want place where you can upload your data or photos. For example, Google Photos are there. So Google Photos
Yes,
where you can upload your pictures or files directly without you require one computer, right? You don't
yes, sir.
have to manage the computer. Same
Hmm.
like here storage also it will be like that only. Whatever you want, you can use the storage. So different India and worldwide people are so many people are there. One people want one thing, one company want one thing, other companies want one thing. For instance, some people need compute. You know compute, right? You understand compute, right?
Compute means, sir, performance or operation.
Whatever the operations you can perform on a server is called compute.
Sir, example, sir.
Hello?
Sir, any example, sir?
Any
Example, sir. Example.
example? Let's say you are using your computer. Let's say
Yes,
I'm
sir.
using my computer. Here, I will Google it and ask what is compute. I'm able to ask something, right? So it is performing some operations. Whenever I am doing something, it is performing some operations, right?
Yes, sir.
So here Google Chrome I'm using. It is one of the web software. The software need compute where it will need RAM, memory, CPU and everything. So whatever the operations that you are performing on a server, it is called compute. Are you able to understand it? Hello? Kumar, are you able to understand what is compute now? I can't hear you.
Yes, sir. Sir,
You can.
network. Yes, sir.
So you're performing some activity on the system, which will be
Hmm.
contributed as a compute. Let's say
Yes.
You don't want compute, you don't want to perform operations. You only
Yes,
want,
sir.
you have one GB of data. You wanted one
Hmm.
place where you can
Uh,
access data across the
yes, sir.
world.
Yes, sir.
Let's say you have one photos.
Yes, sir.
Your photos are there
Yes, sir.
and you have uploaded to Google Drive.
Yes, sir.
And there are some people from around the world. Let's say you are in
Yes, sir.
India, your family or your friends are in somewhere. Let's
Yes.
say someone you are in India
Yes, sir.
and some guy is in USA and some
Yes.
guy is in Africa.
Yes, sir.
If you stored your photos in your
Yes.
local desktop, will they
Yes.
able to connect to your photos every time? No, right? So
No.
that is where this storage will comes. The storage, what
Yes.
it will do is that you will
Uh,
create one centralized cloud storage.
yes,
Cloud
sir.
is nothing but anywhere and anytime you can access, right? If in
Yes, sir.
India it is 10 a.m. in the morning, for USA
Yes.
10 p.m. in the morning, they don't call you, right? They will check
Yes, sir.
if they have the Google Drive access with them, or else any cloud drive, they will
Yes.
directly come and watch whatever the photos
Okay.
are there. So this
Okay.
is the advantage because not every customer is of having only one solution, right? They're having
Yes.
multiple things, and you have to do those multiple things so that everything will be working according to their request only. It's not
Yes.
like, I mean, if you ask something, I give you something, that doesn't work, right? Whatever you're
Yes, sir.
asking to the cloud provider, we will provide
Mm,
you with that cloud service only so
mm.
that they can able to understand it properly without any issues, and they only pay for what they're using. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it is nothing but cloud. The advantages
Yes,
of clouds are nothing but
yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir. Cloud is clear, sir, but only one to server, sir. What is the difference between cloud and server? Because server is also work as a storage. Whatever we need, we collect from our server.
Yeah,
Whatever we want to save, we directly save our server.
sorry. So
Yes,
server is a machine,
yes, sir.
machine or computer, you can say.
Yes,
But cloud server is nothing but it was hosted in cloud.
yes,
Means you have some regions in India,
yes, sir.
regions like Pune, Hyderabad,
Yes, yes,
and Mumbai. There
mm,
are some cloud providers are there, and they
yes,
are hosting one server. I will show you here.
yes, sir.
If you see here, right? So whatever the cloud you are working, there will be having these kind of rooms where if you see these horizontal things, right, it is called servers. What you are seeing here, right?
Yes,
Every
sir.
every horizontal rack
Mm,
is called a server. So
yes,
it is not existent within you. It is
yes.
existing somewhere else.
Yes, sir. Sir, but I'm
So
working there, sir. I am working there data center. There are many servers and storage, SAN storage, uh, and cabling, sir. Everything is there, sir.
yeah. So what is your doubt now?
So my doubt is, sir, a storage is a like a server or because sir, everything is everything is stored in a server, and cloud is also work as a storage. So I want to know, sir, what is the difference?
So what will happen is that if you take one server, you
Uh,
have to manage everything.
yes.
Okay. So if you take comparisons as,
Uh,
see, this is the diagram where it will explain you IaaS is
Sir,
nothing but
okay. Yes, sir.
infrastructure as a
Yes,
service, means they
yes,
will
sir.
give you the server itself.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You have to manage everything. You have to manage your application data, runtime, middleware, OS.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the server storage, networking, virtualization will be managed by your cloud service providers. Whatever you're seeing in, sky blue will be managed by you. Whatever you're seeing in red, it will be managed by the cloud providers. If you see here, right, you're asking about one server, right? If you take one server, you have to manage all these things. More majority of the things you have to manage.
Yes,
But whereas if you
yes, sir.
comes to pass, right, you don't have to take for platform as a service,
Oh,
where for instance you don't have to manage the server itself. They will
yes,
give
sir.
you one place, you can do anything.
Mm.
So that is what the difference between cloud servers and storage. Some
Yes, sir.
people
Yes,
want only storage, they don't want compute, right? You
yes, sir.
can't say that take compute. Whatever they're asking, you have to provide that only, and you will
Mm.
be chargeable to that customer accordingly.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Oh, fine, sir. So much.
This is just an example and introduction of cloud. If
Yeah.
you start cloud, there will be so many topics where you can learn what is the main benefits, why we are using cloud, what
Yes,
is
sir.
storage, and everything we can cover in the classes. I just wanted to give you some introduction what is cloud so that you can understand better and you can have some decisions with you. So I
Yes.
just wanted to leave you out there to take some time, understand. If you wanted to proceed, we can proceed like that. But this is just an demo session.
Yes, sir.
Fine, Kumar.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
You have any questions?
No, sir. Sir, what is the physical data center is working? As same as the cloud we can do, sir.
Yeah, but let's say, there are some topics as well, but
Yes, sir.
we can say it's like auto scaling and all. What else
Yes,
if
sir.
you are using on-premises data center and
Yes, sir.
from day to day, 10 people are using.
Yes,
Some
sir.
other day, 1,000 people are using the service. How you
Yes,
going
sir.
to do that? That is a bottleneck,
Uh,
right?
yes, sir. Yes.
So that is where cloud will having auto scaling capabilities as well.
Okay.
But you should understand, you should understand what is cloud in depth, then only you will be knowing how it will work.
Yes, sir.
Vilkumar, is it clear for you?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. Vishwa sir.
చెప్పండి.
సార్ డెమో అయిపోతున్నప్పుడు నాకు కొంచెం చెప్పండి. నేను స్టూడెంట్ తో మాట్లాడాలి.
అయిపోయిందండి ఇప్పుడే.
అయిపోయిందా సార్?
ఆ,
యా
finish.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, Kumar, if you are
యా
interested, talk to her. She will guide you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. యూ కెన్ లెఫ్ట్ సార్.
Bye.
హలో.